In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to explain code. This is an easy way to understand what code does, even if you're a beginner. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to explain code. For example, I might type, "Explain what this Python code does step by step." After typing the prompt, I'll paste the code and click the send button. Claude will break down the code and explain how each part works in a clear and simple way. If I want a deeper explanation, I can include more details in my prompt, such as asking for line-by-line explanations or simplified summaries. For example, I might type, "Explain this JavaScript code in simple terms and describe each function." Claude can also help rewrite the code in a cleaner way or provide examples to make it easier to understand. Once I understand the explanation, I can apply what I've learned to my own projects. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to explain code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.